Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create poison ivy on Dress to Impress for free, no VIP needed. We are going to get this hair and I'm just going to color it this orange. Then for the fit we are going to use the Sabrina Carpenter bodysuit. Second, toggle and then turn off kiss and then make the material silk and color it with this color. Then you're going to go here and you're going to select this one, turn up details and color everything that same green as well. This one too, turn off the details and then color it green. Like so. Then for the stockings, you're going to use this color right here, 609066 in silk. And then for the gloves, I'm just going to turn off the fur and I'm going to color that the same green here in silk. And then for the boots, I am going to use the Brat one because it's not see-through. It's like not too tight on the legs. So let me just select this one in silk as well. And voila, that is how you can make poison ivy on Dress to Impress. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!